How to find my WhatsApp number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your WhatsApp number. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to make sure that you're logged into your account first. Also make sure that you have the updated version of the WhatsApp app. After you've done all of that, you can simply open up your WhatsApp. After you open it up, head over to the settings icon on the bottom right. After you're on your settings icon, all you then need to do is tap on your username that is on the top right here. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you should see your name and your phone number right here. Now all you can do is you can just copy this as well if you want to. Simply long press on it and tap on copy. And yeah, that's basically how you find your WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye, take care.